doctor. Big bad love when he talk to me. Fucking good, I'ma make him talk to me. These loyal assholes can't ride with the gang next time. I'ma make him walk to me. These bitches ain't real, they flogging. These first time ass niggas keep.
Okay, so this is a 14-inch ALIGRACE. This wig that I got from, this is a 14-inch bob wig from ALIGRACE. I got this wig almost a year ago. It's going to be a year in about, at the beginning of September. I got it for my best friend's wedding. Their anniversary is coming up. So I was like, this wig is still good. I can still put it on. Let's see what we can do with it. So yeah, this is the 14-inch wig that I'm going to be transforming on today. It's from ALIGRACE. It's in its natural hair state. We're going to be lifting this wig and dyeing it a pretty copper orange. We're going to see what it comes out to be. Hopefully it comes out right. So yeah, this is how it look. This is how the, so guys, I am on the floor. I have down a trash bag down to protect the floor and everything. The materials that you're going to need for this video is going to be, I got a 50 developer. I usually get between 30 and 40 when I'm doing anything else, but today I got 50 because this wig is in its natural state and I want it to lift really quickly, and I've been doing this for a little minute now, so I really know how to work with a 50, and I know it's going to lift faster and it's going to just go a little faster than the other one. And here is, I got the powder and the 50 developer to mix together. We have some combs here. We have our brush. I also have some clips just in case I need to get some hair out of the way. I'm also going to grab some hair ties as well to go with these. I have some combs down here. Also, the color that we're going to be using today, this is why I hate this camera, is Cajun Spice. We're going to be, it won't even focus on it. Cajun, we're going to be doing Cajun Spice. I'm trying to get in the light so you guys can see. We're going to be doing Cajun Spice, Pumpkin Spice. Well, this is not Pumpkin Spice. I ended up getting orange marmalade or whatever it is in Cajun Spice because I want it to be like a copper kind of penny color, but I want it to be more lighter, and I think this is going to give off kind of like a darker brown, but we're going to put that mostly in the back and try to get this at the top maybe. So yeah, these are all the things that you're going to need for the hair video. Your dyes, I got 2 Cajun Spice, 1 orange marmalade. I got some clips. I'm going to get some hair ties, some combs, the developer, a bucket, and I'm going to go ahead and get the water boiling on the stove. Hot water is the best water to use for this because you'll be here all day with cold water. So yeah, I'm going to get the hot water ready. So guys, I almost forgot an important step. Right now, I'm going to spray some Gots to be sprayed all on the lace of the wig on the inside, just to protect the lace and make sure that the dye doesn't seep through and dye any of the lace, because I only wanted to dye the hair and not the, you know, my knots. I don't want it to dye my knots another color. So yeah, I'm going to take this and spray it all in the inside of the lace, and then take my blow dryer to speed up the process to dry it, make sure it's dry, and then I'm going to begin applying. I'm going to start mixing the developer and the... Alright, so here's the consistency that I got. I had to mix that off camera because it took a while in this large bowl right here, but this is the kind of consistency that I have, kind of milky. They say when you want to apply it to the hair, have it kind of runny. You need it more thick and pasty when you applying it to lace. So I made it a little runny so that it can penetrate through all the hair. Here is the wig. I decided to lay it down on this. I have it kind of sectioned off because I'm going to start in sections. So I'm going to set the camera right here. guys, here's my steaming hot water, and I have an extra one of these, so I'm gonna just use this to mix this up in. I have my Cajun spice right here, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and put mostly of the orange, being that it didn't come out exactly the way I wanted the wig to come out. So I think I'm going to use most of the orange and then mix in the Cajun spice because I wanted more of a penny color. I don't really know. But whatever concoction I come up with mixing these, you guys are about to see. So yes, I'm going to do the watercolor method right now. Let me grab... So after all that, the watercolor, after dyeing it, watercoloring it, all that, here is the look. Here is the final look that I came up with. Do you like? Do you like? Most of the color took in the back. And if you want to see a video on how, the styling of this, more than likely I'm either going to drop these videos together or I'm going to drop them one after the other. Like I probably drop one tomorrow and then drop the other one the next day. What is tomorrow? Tuesday? Yeah, so I'll probably drop one Tuesday and then drop one Wednesday, or drop it on Wednesday and then drop the other Thursday. Whenever you see this video, I'm just not sure what day yet. Yeah, I'll probably drop them together or the day after the other. So yeah. So if you want to see the styling of this video, just stay tuned and make sure you watch that as well. Watch me style this. So yeah, the Cajun took at the bottom and the Mandarin Orange took mostly in the back and at the ends. Yeah, I was working with 50 Developer and I was on the phone at the same time, multitasking, doing all this because my cousins wanted to watch me do it. Yeah, all that. So yeah, this is the look that I got. This is a ALIGRACE wig, 14 inch. I paid under $90 for this wig. I think I paid like $84, $85 for this wig. I'm gonna go back in my email and get all that enlisted in the description down below. So yeah, this wig is about a year old. It's gonna be a year, my best friend's anniversary in September. And I'm going to be on here to tell them happy anniversary. Well, matter of fact, let me be the first one to tell them happy anniversary now. So yeah, it should be about a year old on like the 7th of... I think I got it on what day? I know it was close up until the wedding day. So I know not the actual anniversary is the year I had. Make the year mark that I had this hair. I can't talk today. I know their anniversary date doesn't make the year mark that I had this hair, so it was like the beginning, like right after Labor Day sometime. I remember I hurried up and I probably got a Labor Day special on it. That's probably where I got the coupon from. So yeah, around next week time or something to make it a year that I had this hair. So yeah, guys, it's a year old. It's still kicking. It still got body. I'm gonna put some more conditioner. I have to get more conditioner. I ran out of shampoo and conditioner in the middle of this. I literally had enough to do barely one wash. So I'm going to get some more shampoo and conditioner for this hair, wash it over and redo it and redo this style, or probably just do another style. And you guys going to see me wear this wig some more. This is going to be like one of my throw on wigs when in between styles. I'm trying to decide really what I want right now anyway, so I'm in between styles. So yeah, trying to figure out what I want, so that's why I'm just throwing this on in between the black wig. And yeah, I don't know if I want a 613 and color it or if I want something else. So thank you guys so much. I'm just rambling right now. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, I'm your girl Shama. Peace.
Big bad love when he talk to me. Fucking good, I'm making talk to me. These loyal assholes can't ride with the gang next time. I'm making walk to me. These bitches ain't real, they flogging. These worst ass niggas keep